My name is Dr. Alan Smith. I have a family-based cash practice in Jacksonville, Florida, and been in practice for about 19 years now. What we're going to be going over in seminars is pretty much the integration and expansion of what my practice is and what we do every day. And it is about the overtrained youth athlete, but primarily it's going to be going over the fascial kinetic chains, what they are, how they work, how they actually tie into the arches of our feet, and what you can actually map with the body for function and dysfunction. So we can take people away from a pain-based model and get into a performance-based model to whatever level of performance you are looking for as an individual. We also go over nutrition. We're going to be going over rehab, function, performance, hydration, and a huge thing that I have for myself that I want to be able to offer to doctors is being able to apply it Monday. I'd love to have anyone and everyone out to the seminar from wherever you're from, whatever mindset you may be in, and what you're looking to get, because I try to make it as interactive as possible. It's not just me talking to or at you, but we're together with this. You're my fellow colleague, and together we can actually get better, more united, and be able to help. Just the more that we are together as a stronger front, chiropractic is better as a whole. And if we can all be better practitioners together, all it does is help all of us.